Hello everyone! Today we're going to trade using technical analysis and the Parabolic Sar indicator to determine the pivot point. This information will help us to analyze the market. So we're going to have a lot of different cases in our trading today. So be sure to watch this video to the end, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. And also, don't forget that you can become a member of my greatest membership and get free trading signals from me. Just send me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram and I will add you to my community. So let's get started. So I already connected the indicator. All settings are left by default. As you can see, the indicator consists of purple dots at the top and bottom of our chart. And the signal of this indicator is the moment when, for example, dots begin to form above the chart. This case tells us that soon the price will move down when the dots begin to form from the bottom on the chart. It seems that soon the price will move up. And in similar cases, we could open a trade for a raise, but of course, do not forget about the levels of support and resistance and pay attention to the overall trading case. Only competent combination of technical analysis and indicators will give us good results. So let's get started and find the first entry point. Here at the top, we have the level of resistance. We see that after the pullback, the price turned around and came back to our level. In this case, I suggest opening a trade for a raise for 2 minutes. Since the overall price potential is going for a raise, the main price lows are getting higher. At the same time, we see that the dots are beginning to form under the chart, which means that the price will soon move up. I think we will have time to make money on this upward movement. It's quite possible that the level will be broken through, and I hope that in this case 2 minutes will be quite enough since we take time to spare, taking into account the possible trading and a pullback down. So let's wait for the end of our first trade. That went great. As you can see, this level was broken through by good confident green candles. Here we get a good profit. We just made money on breaking through the level of resistance. The indicator showed us a good entry point and helped us determine the further price movement. It was a great start, so let's continue and find the next market case. Here we have the level of support. We see that at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond it. We open a trade for a fall for 1 minute. The price was steadily moving down. It's more likely that this level will be fully broken through. At the same time, we see that the dots are beginning to form above the chart, which means that soon the price will continue to move down. I hope that in this case, 1 minute will be quite enough for us since the price has been moving quite volatile lately. So let's wait for the results. Not bad. As you can see, after a pullback, the downward movement continued. The level was fully broken through. Here we get a good profit. We just managed to make money on breaking through the level of support. The indicator was right again. As you can see, these cases worked fine. So let's continue and find some more similar cases in the market. Here at the top, we have the level of resistance. We see that at the moment, there is an upward movement. The price is approaching the level. At the same time, we see that the dots have been forming for a long time. There's a good confident uptrend. In this case, I suggest opening a trade for a raise for 3 minutes. The price has an excellent potential for a raise. It's more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. I hope that in this case, 3 minutes will be quite enough for us, even taking into account the possible trading or pullback down. So let's wait for the result. That went great. As you can see, after a pullback, the price continued to move up with good confident green candles, and this level was broken through. Here we get a solid profit. You may have noticed that during the pullback down, dots began to form above the chart. This indicator reacted to the pullback of the price down, but it doesn't mean that we should open a trade for a fall because we see that the overall price potential is still going up. As you understand, the indicator reacts to all price movements. So false signals may form. Accordingly, you must understand and distinguish between such cases. Therefore, it's really important to take into account the overall trading case. Only competent technical analysis combined with indicator hints will help you to get a profit. I hope you understand what I mean. So let's continue and find the next market case. We'll have the level of support down here. At the moment, we see that there's a good confident downward movement. At the same time, there's still room for the level of support. We see that the dots are forming above the chart. Let's open a trade for a fall for 2 minutes. The price has an excellent potential for a fall. It's more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. At the moment, we see red candles continue to form. I hope that in this case 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, so let's wait for the result. That went well. As you can see, the price continued to move down with good coveted impulse candles. In this level was broken through. Here we get a profit. We managed to make money on this downward movement. As you can see, these cases work perfectly. Well, let's continue and find the next entry point. We have the level of support down here. We see that there was a downward movement. The price reached the level. At the moment, it's moving in the trading zone. In this case, I open a trade for a fall for 1 minute. The price has an excellent potential for a fall. The main price highs are getting lower. Data form above the chart. There's a clear compression of the level. I think it will be broken through soon. It's quite possible that we will get into the most impulsive downward movement of the price in the very breaking of the level. So I hope that in this case 1 minute will be just enough for us. So let's wait for the results. So as you can see, the price continued to move down, but the level was still not broken through. Therefore, we will open a trade here again for a fall for 1 minute. Just at the moment, the price is already starting to go beyond the level. Surely this time the level will be broken through. At the same time, we see that the dots continue to form above the chart. At the moment, a good confident red candle continues to form, so let's wait for the result. Excellent. As you can see, the level was broken through and we made a profit. We just managed to make money on breaking through the level of support. So these cases work fine by now. Well, let's continue and find the next market case. Here we have the level of support. We see that at the moment there's a downward movement. Here I propose to open a trade for a fall for 2 minutes to spare. The price has an excellent potential for a fall, as usual. The main price highs are getting lower. At the same time, data formed above the chart. I think that soon the price will continue to move to the level. I hope that in this case 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, since the price has been moving down quite confidently lately. So let's wait for the result. That went great. As you can see, the price continued to move to the level. We make a profit. 2 minutes was perfect for us. We managed to make money on this downward movement. The indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a good entry point. So let's continue and look for the next entry point. Here at the top, we have the level of resistance. We see that there was a pullback down from the level, and after some time from these points, there was a reversal, and the price is approaching our level again. At the same time, there's still room for the level, and under the chart, we see that the darts are being formed, which means that the price will soon move up. So let's open a trade for a race here for 3 minutes. It's more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. We took 3 minutes to spare, taking into account the possible trading. I hope that taking into account all these movements, this time will be quite enough for us. So let's wait for the results. Great, the price continued to move to the level and we made a profit. As you can see, we managed to make money on this upward movement, and 3 minutes was perfectly enough for us. Meanwhile, I already have $5,000 on my deposit. I propose to open another last trade for today, so now we will find some other working case in the market and continue. Here at the top, we have the level of resistance. We see that after touching the level, there was a pullback down, and after the pullback, the price turns around and starts moving up again. At the same time, we see that the dots begin to form under the chart. I suggest open a trade here for a race for 3 minutes. I think that soon the price will continue to move to the level because the price here has a very good potential for a race. The main price levels are getting higher. I hope that in this case 3 minutes will be quite enough for us, even taking into account the possible trading. So let's wait for the end of our trade. Excellent. As you can see, the price continued to move up and this level was broken through. We make a good profit. 3 minutes was really good for us. The indicator turned out to be right again. It gave us a really good entry point. We managed to make money on this upward movement and on breaking through the level. I already have almost $10,000 on my deposit. I propose to finish my trading for today. I fix my profit and leave the market. So all market cases work perfectly, so try to connect this indicator and find some similar cases in the market. So trade and train as much as possible, gain your own experience, and never doubt yourself, and you will succeed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Already subscribe to my channel, like my videos, left a comment, and press the bell because, okay, this is necessary. And if you still don't know how to get free trading signals from me, send me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram and I will add you to my community so you can make money with me. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.